Hi there, my name's Nathan. I'm a marine scientist at Aqua, and today I'll be walking through how to simulate RBR instruments using their Ruskin software. Ruskin is a very useful tool that enables you to configure any RBR instrument. It also has a simulation feature that gives you an idea of battery and memory endurance estimates prior to purchasing an instrument. Ruskin is a free and simple to install application. It's available on both Windows and Mac via RBR's website on the link below. Once downloaded, open up Ruskin. The application will bring up a Navigator tab, which allows you to view connected instruments, mooring line modems, and datasets. To simulate an instrument, click the Instruments tab at the top menu bar and select Simulate an Instrument. This will bring up a menu box, which allows you to select the instrument you wish to simulate, as well as configuring sample rate options for fast instruments. For now, we will select a standard Solo T compact logger. If you click OK, the software will bring up the simulated instrument configurator, as well as a simulated data panel at the bottom here. You can also easily see information about the instrument, calibration data, and parameter values on these tabs at the top. The configuration tab allows you to set the start time for the instrument recording, change the type of battery used, and alter the sampling rate of the instrument. All of these options will affect the overall battery and memory endurance estimates, which change their values here according to the inputs described. As you can see here, if I set the Solo T to continuously sample at 1 Hz while using high-capacity lithium batteries, we will get 543 days of endurance. You'll also see that we have a logging end date based on the start date here. To view simulated data, click the play button here on the toolbar. As you can see, simulated real-time data begins to log on the chart below. These are random values rather than from an actual dataset. To stop the data, click the pause button. To end the instrument simulation, right-click the instrument on the Navigator tab and select Disconnect from Instrument. This will bring you back to the main screen. This time, we'll simulate an instrument with a few more parameters. By opening up the simulation box, you can select standard configurations of loggers, but also add extra channels and alter the sampling capability. Here I've selected a Concerto CTD with fast 16 Hz sampling and an RBR Kodo TODO dissolved oxygen sensor. Sampling continuously at 16 Hz, this logger has an endurance of 13 days while using lithium iron disulfide batteries. You'll notice that lithium thionyl chloride battery option is not available on this list. This is due to the power draw from the logger being too high to use with this logger configuration. If you're ever in doubt about which batteries you can use with your RBR logger, check this list on Ruskin. As you can see, simulating a Concerto instrument has opened up a few extra configuration options, including the option to simulate an external power source rather than just internal batteries. If we were to use an RBR Fermata battery pack with alkaline batteries, this would extend the battery endurance of the logger beyond 1 year. However, the memory capacity would limit us to a 27-day deployment. With a logger fitted with the fast16 function, averaged, burst, and directional sampling modes become available, as well as the continuous sampling option. If we start simulating the data once again, you can see multiple parameters are plotted on the same chart. These are directly measured sensor values, such as pressure and conductivity, and parameters derived from these values, such as depth and salinity. If you want to simplify things, you can remove some of these channels by clicking the Toggle Channel Visibility button and deselecting some of these channels. This removes the number of y-axes and datasets displayed on the chart. As you can see, Ruskin is a very effective tool for configuring your instrument prior to deployment, as well as simulating an instrument prior to purchase. This can allow you to estimate battery and memory endurances, which may ultimately benefit the planning stage of your research. For more information on RBR's instruments or how to do some more advanced simulations, contact us at info@rsaqua.co.uk or visit our website. Thank you very much for watching.